Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I wanted to just say, for anyone who is new here, welcome to my channel. It is about personal finance, personal growth, luxury travel, and all things luxury. So today is a blend of both personal and luxury stuff because I'm going to be doing a review of my Apple Watch 6 and showing you a little bit of the unboxing, as well as talking about my progress with my weight loss. So I'm just going to start with what you really probably clicked on this video to watch, which in the very next clip, I'm going to show you guys what my Apple Watch 6 looks like and how I plan on using it to continue on my weight loss journey. So I got to watch the keynote speech, which was amazing. I was also expecting an iPhone, but we didn't get that. And so as soon as that was over and ordering was available, I went ahead and placed the order on, I placed the order on the 15th of September and I received it on the 21st. So it was a pretty quick turnaround. So I hope you enjoyed the unboxing in the next clip. Alright guys, so as you can see, I got the gold Apple Watch Series 6 in stainless steel gold edition. The gold is very like mild. Let me see if I can get it to focus. The gold is very mild and I've already put a protective screen over it. But initially my sister and I both said the same thing, that it looked really silver to us, because I've actually never had a stainless steel Apple Watch. The last time I had an Apple Watch was when I bought it 4 years ago, and I kept it for about 2 years and then I lost it when I was moving. But I decided to purchase it because now they have so many more advancements. They have the sleep capability now. I wanted, an upgrade to the stainless steel version. They're going to have Apple TV Fitness, which is going to be a big thing. I plan on reviewing that and showing you guys that. It's not quite yet available, but as soon as it is, I will be signing up. And from what I heard from the keynote speech, as soon as the anybody who purchased an Apple Series 6 will get 3 months free of Apple Fitness Plus. So I am super excited about that. What else? But yeah, so far I like it. I have been on the Fitbit community for a while, so the only bummer is I don't know yet how to connect my steps to my Fitbit app. I found a few syncers, but a lot of people said it didn't work. From what the reviews said, like it records your activity but not your actual steps, so I can remain in those challenges with people like Sarah, who's on her 100-pound weight loss journey, and I'm really proud of her, and it's been very motivating to be in that group. So I'm still trying to figure out a way to be in that group. I'm kind of speaking hurriedly because I'm recording the same day and posting it, and I have a meeting in 3 minutes, but I wanted to get this out. Next thing is my weight loss. I've been doing intermittent fasting, a 16-hour fast in an 8-hour eating window. That's been going really well, and I've lost some weight as a result of that. Unfortunately, in the last 2 days, I've been going through a lot of like stress, and I've been binge eating after my fasting has started, and so the last 2 days I've gained like 1.5 pounds, which is fine, but you know, I can really tell that intermittent fasting is an effective tool, but I am human, so I'm still prone to making mistakes. But it's not just about me making mistakes, it's about me picking myself back up from those situations. And so far I think fasting is very effective. In the past, when I've tried fasting, I would fast, but then during my eating period I would eat unhealthy because I thought, oh, like it's fine, like I fasted, but obviously that erodes the efforts that I put into fasting because you're still feeding your body the wrong things. So I noticed that when I eat well and I do my 16-hour fast, like the weight just melts off, and it's amazing. So far I'm at about a 15-pound weight loss since I begun this journey, and I'm really excited to see what can happen. From time to time, if I fall off the bandwagon, it's okay. I will just get back on. So anyway, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I will see you on Friday with a luxury topic, so look forward to that. There's going to be an unboxing that I talked about in my video for my updated wish list, which I've actually might be adding a Chanel item to that, so check out my updated wish list. And then hey, if I end up unboxing my first Chanel bag, then so be it, because price increases, tariffs, we'll see. But anyway, I hope you guys have a great week, and I will see you on Friday. Bye.